Amen95 here, and today we are going to be explaining my friend Infinity Live's car. We have something that we made with the bed. We have a battery pack.
Okay, you failed. All right. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amen5 here. I failed. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amen95 here, back with another video. And today we're going to be looking at Infinite Live's custom RC car so far. He bought this at Walmart for...
And guys, let me tell you, later on he's going to make a video about it. I will too on my channel. We're going to take this apart when I get a replica of this. I'm going to take this apart.
Another axle.
And then put another one.
6 feet.
And then we're gonna have we're gonna put a new axle in there and 2 receivers. And then we're gonna cut this off, whatever. And then we're gonna have the other one, a replica of this, and put it in there. And we're gonna put a crane there for our RC mine site.
Yeah, so this is gonna be a lot different than when we're done. I'll explain it just
in the description or something.
Yeah, I'll do it. But this is his cheap Walmart RC car. He got it at Walmart. I gave him this controller and a receiver that he put in this, a really cheap one, out of my orange Land Rover. And yeah, the original modifications we did were I made him this bed, which if you pull out this clip it opens. Gave him this hinge, which I actually now need, so I might just... I'm joking. I wouldn't do that. Alright, there we go. Made him that bed. I also put lights in the RC car. So
this is my logo on the front, on the top, on the
6 feet. God damn
you!
it!
I am 6 feet.
6 feet. No, 6 feet. Where if I was lying flat on the ground. Now move. He has his channel logo on the front.
And we painted it silver. It was red.
Yes, it was red. You can see a bit of the red showing through in some spots. But yeah, if I turn this on, you can see it does light up.
Turn off for too long, so the battery
the battery I gave him, it stopped working, so he's using my military truck's battery right now. We just put some WD-40 in the back axle.
I bought a new one.
You are missing the screw for right there, FYI.
I think I've screwed up with that.
After you're done with the video, I made him this custom battery cover, which is on right now. He lost the screw, which I'm still pissed about. Yeah, it still does not have variable steering, but it still works pretty good. It's on the table. I didn't move it. Really nice. He did shear off a mirror though, so we'll have to find a way to fix that. Also bent this, and yeah, I just wanted to do a cool quick video about this RC car. It's a really cool RC car. Infinite Lives has put a ton of effort into it. Really cool, really nice. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe. I will be doing a video about what we do with this RC car in the future. Also, I will be doing a video about me racing him with my custom, which I now have a 35T instead of that 55T motor in it. And I ordered an actual 2-speed gearbox from Axial, so it'll work a lot better than the gearbox I have in it right now.
And there's a possibility that he's actually going to do something. What was it, Alice, in here?
What?
Remember you were going to give me something?
Oh yes, I'm possibly going to be giving him the gearbox that is in my custom right now.
It'll make it like go freaking nuts crazy.
Well, we probably aren't going to end up putting it in this one. We might, who knows. But yeah, hit the like button and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Comment down below if you want to see more. I'll be trying to put more information in the description, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Bye.
Wow, it took you long enough.
I didn't know you were pointing the camera at me.
Bye. Alright guys, we're here and we are testing his RC car. Nothing?
Here, let's turn it off and turn it back on. So I think I might have turned it off now, right? I keep on turning that on before the control. The control is on.
Wait, is it blinking?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it's blinking. Alright, try turning them on at like the same time. No, it's not a battery problem. You got electricity going to it. It's just not connecting to the receiver.
Oh, we gotta turn them off. What's going on? It's not connecting.
Try turning the back wheels.
I think I might have not pushed it in all the way. I think one of the plugs may be out.
Try steering then. Alright, then it's definitely either that plug. Try turning the back wheels first. Like just moving them with your hand. Alright, now try throttle. Yeah, it's probably not all the way plugged in.
Well, unscrew it. Can I keep the battery and still unplug it?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I can.
Turn it off first. Turn it off first.
Idea.
Oh, God.
Sometimes I
Alright, we'll be back once he's screwed that in. Oh, wow. Actually sounds a lot better.
Still the same speed, really, though. Because,
Yeah.
You know, it's not the other battery. It doesn't like this gravel. It's the weirdest thing. It does not like that gravel. Why is it just, like slower than it usually is?
Well, also you got a heavier battery in there than usual.
No, this is the smaller battery than the crank than the excavator.
Yeah, still you got a heavier battery in there than usual.
It doesn't even seem like it's going that fast at all.
Let's try in the patio.
It doesn't even seem like it's going that fast. How long did you charge it for?
Since you left it yesterday. Well, I can't say that. It's been on the charger since you left it yesterday. It's been charging for about 30 minutes.
That's probably why.
No. My charger, what it does, since it's high grade, it charges to full, then stops and keeps it from discharging until it's taken off.
Something wrong with the steering. It's not going all the way.
Looks fine to me.
It's not going on the ground.
Well, you have to get started going usually.
But it doesn't turn when it's on the ground. Like it's not.
Odd.
Yeah. I don't know what's wrong. At least it works.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe, and bye. Liam.
Goodbye.
God.